Hello everyone! I'm glad to see you on the Home Tips channel. In this video I'll show you how to use regular vinegar for cleaning. This is a simple, inexpensive and very effective product that helps keep your home clean without unnecessary chemicals. Vinegar is great for removing grease, stains and unpleasant odors. You will be surprised at how much it can clean. You've probably noticed these white spots on your cups, hard water deposits. They can also appear on plates, pots and other utensils. Take 3 liters of warm water and add half a glass of vinegar to the water. I lower the cups into the solution and leave them for 1 hour. Vinegar dissolves limescale, so after soaking, simply wipe the cups with a sponge. Rinse the cups under running water. And look, they are like new again. Cutlery drainers and dish drainers also accumulate limescale. Warm up the cleaning solution left over from the cups and pour it into the dryer. I left it for 1 hour, but there is no specific time limit. Check periodically with a brush. If the plug comes off easily, then you can start cleaning. My cutlery stand is clean. I rinse it under running water and wipe it dry. Cleaning windows from dust and insects without leaving streaks is not so easy. Take a spray bottle and mix equal parts water and vinegar. Use distilled or filtered water. Next, wipe the windows with a damp cloth. If the windows are very dirty, use water and a little dishwashing liquid. Spray the glass with a cleaning agent and wipe it with a slightly damp cloth. Next, use a water squeegee and a special microfiber cloth for glass and mirrors. Look how clean the glass is. No dirt, no streaks, just sparkle. Vinegar can be used to clean makeup brushes. It will disinfect the bristles and remove makeup residue. I take a small container, pour some vinegar into it and add dishwashing liquid. Now I rinse my brushes thoroughly in this solution. Then rinse the brushes thoroughly in clean water. Dry them with the bristles facing down. This simple method removed any remaining makeup and disinfected the bristles. If you don't know how to remove a sticker or remove the sticky layer left behind, do the following. Pour vinegar on the sticker and place a napkin on top. Leave it like this for 20 minutes and then use a plastic card to remove everything that needs to be removed. To remove the sticky residue from the sticker, I apply vinegar again, leave it for 30 minutes and then finish cleaning it with a sponge under warm water. Pour 250 ml of warm water into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Microwave the bowl on high power for 5 minutes. Once the time has passed, leave the microwave oven closed for another 10 minutes. This will allow the steam to soften any remaining dirt. Using a soft sponge, wipe down all the walls inside the microwave. Be sure to unplug the microwave. If there are any sticky, greasy spots inside the microwave, use a paper towel to easily clean them. The microwave is clean, without grease or unpleasant odors inside. Countertops and kitchen cabinets suffer from hard water, spilled food and other grime. To clean them all, you can use a mixture of vinegar and water. Spray the countertop and wipe it with a damp cloth several times to remove any remaining vinegar. Kitchen cabinets are prone to fingerprints, become coated with a sticky film over time and attract dust. You can use the same solution to clean them. Then wipe the cabinets with a damp cloth several times and dry them thoroughly. As a result, you will have clean, shiny, perfectly smooth cabinets without stickiness, streaks or scratches. Kitchen towels and sponges accumulate a lot of bacteria, and if they are not cleaned regularly, they will develop an unpleasant odor. I also have a bowl like this with a hard water stain. I'll clean the bowl and disinfect the sponge now. Mix equal parts vinegar and warm water. Then completely immerse the dishcloth and sponges in this solution and leave for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I wash the bowl. See how easily and quickly the limescale has been removed. Next, rinse the sponges under running water, squeeze them out well, and leave them to dry. Regularly soaking sponges and towels in this solution will help prevent the growth of bacteria and the formation of unpleasant odors. Vinegar can be used to clean floors as a natural and affordable solution. To do this, add 50 ml of vinegar to a bucket of water. However, do not use this solution on marble, granite or wood floors. Vinegar is a natural, environmentally friendly product. It is excellent at neutralizing unpleasant odors in the home, such as pet odors, and has antiseptic properties that kill germs and bacteria on floors. It also effectively removes grease deposits and dirt stains, leaving floors shiny and smooth. Everyone with hot water is familiar with these white calcium deposits. It appears on tiles, glass, shower walls, and bathtubs. But don't rush to the store for cleaning products, because you can make a simple and affordable product yourself that will clean it all. Take a spray bottle and mix equal parts vinegar and dish soap in it. Spray the prepared solution thoroughly onto the glass in the shower, tiles and bathtub and leave for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wipe the surfaces with a damp, soft sponge. Next, you need to rinse the shower with running water and wipe dry. Vinegar is a natural, affordable and highly effective home cleaning product. It can replace dozens of household chemicals if used wisely. And of course, these are not all the ways it can be used. Share your cleaning uses with vinegar in the comments. If you like the tips, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in more videos.